Theories behind Agile management. Foundations that power Agile. Agile isn't just a trendy framework. It's a mindset built on deep, time-tested theories that explain why it works so well in complex, ever-changing environments. Want to truly master Agile? Start with understanding its intellectual roots. In a world where change is the only constant, traditional project management methods often struggle to keep pace with evolving customer demands, technological shifts, and complex team dynamics. Enter Agile management, a dynamic, flexible, and human-centered approach to delivering value in uncertain environments. But Agile is not just a collection of practices or buzzwords. It is rooted in a rich foundation of theories drawn from systems thinking, psychology, leadership, and operational science. Understanding these underlying theories not only deepens your grasp of Agile but also empowers you to apply its principles more effectively in real-world scenarios. Let's explore the powerful ideas that fuel Agile success. Agile management has reshaped the modern workplace with its promise of flexibility, speed, and collaboration. But beneath its practices lies a rich foundation of theories drawn from systems thinking, psychology, leadership, and lean operations. In this article, we dive deep into 10 essential theories that support Agile, from empirical process control and lean thinking to self-determination theory and the Cynefin Framework. You'll learn what each theory means, how it connects to Agile rituals like sprints and retrospectives, and why understanding these ideas is crucial for Agile practitioners, Scrum Masters, product leaders, and teams aiming for real transformation. Whether you're new to Agile or ready to deepen your expertise, this is your guide to the brainpower behind the buzzwords. Agile management has transformed the way organizations build products, deliver services, and respond to change. Born out of the need to overcome the limitations of rigid, plan-driven methodologies, Agile promotes adaptability, collaboration, customer centricity, and continuous improvement. While many practitioners are familiar with the visible elements of Agile, like sprints, backlogs, daily stand-ups, and retrospectives, what lies beneath these practices is a powerful web of interrelated theories and philosophies. Understanding these foundational theories is essential for anyone seeking to move beyond surface-level Agile adoption. They explain why Agile works in complex environments and how to align tools, behaviors, and structures with human motivation and organizational dynamics. These theories come from diverse disciplines. Lean manufacturing provides efficiency principles. Psychology offers insight into motivation and team development, and complexity science gives guidance in navigating uncertainty. By exploring each theory and mapping it to specific Agile tools and rituals, we gain a more holistic and strategic view of Agile not merely as a framework, but as an adaptable mindset backed by scientific understanding. Whether you're a team member, Scrum Master, product leader, Agile coach, or executive, appreciating these underlying theories can elevate your practice from mechanical execution to meaningful transformation. Let's now delve into the core theories that form the intellectual bedrock of Agile management, and examine how they manifest in day-to-day Agile practices. Theories for Agile management. With practice mapping, Agile management is supported by several foundational theories. These theories don't just explain the why behind Agile, they also shape the how. Each theory manifests in tangible tools, roles, and rituals across Agile frameworks. Below is a detailed breakdown of each theory, followed by its application in real-world Agile practices. 1. Empirical process control theory. Empirical process control is based on the premise that knowledge is derived from experience and refined through repeated cycles of observation and feedback. In Agile, this replaces predictive planning with adaptive learning through iterative work cycles. Practice mapping. Scrum exemplifies this theory through its defined timeboxes, sprints, as well as events like daily stand-ups, for inspection, sprint reviews, for stakeholder feedback, and sprint retrospectives, for adaptation. Burn-down charts and Kanban boards also support inspection and transparency. 2. Theory of constraints, TOP. The theory of constraints helps Agile teams focus on systemic improvement by identifying and addressing the weakest link that limits performance. This approach promotes continuous delivery and flow efficiency. Practice mapping. Kanban systems are highly aligned with TOP, especially with the use of WIP, work in progress, limits, cycle time metrics, and cumulative flow diagrams to spot bottlenecks. SAFe's portfolio Kanban also helps detect delays across value streams. 3. Lean thinking. Lean thinking encourages the elimination of non-value-adding activities and emphasizes maximizing value delivery through continuous improvement, customer-centric design, and waste minimization. Practice mapping. Agile tools such as user story mapping, MVP development, and value stream mapping come directly from Lean. Practices like just-in-time planning, backlog refinement, and continuous deployment further support Lean delivery. Lean metrics like lead time and throughput are used in DevOps and SAFe to measure flow efficiency. 4. Systems thinking. Systems thinking provides a holistic view of the organization, encouraging teams to consider interdependencies and long-term outcomes rather than localized optimizations. Practice mapping. Cross-functional teams, DevOps integration, and shared product goals help implement systems thinking. The Scrum role of product owner connects business value with team efforts. Scaled frameworks like SAFe and LeSS use systems models to align teams across the enterprise. 5. Servant leadership. Servant leadership promotes a mindset where leaders prioritize the growth and well-being of their team members and remove obstacles that hinder performance. Practice mapping. The Scrum Master embodies this role by facilitating Agile ceremonies, removing impediments, and coaching teams. Agile coaches and release train engineers, RTEs, in SAFe also act as servant leaders across multiple teams. Leaders in DevOps cultures focus on empowerment and psychological safety. 6. Complex adaptive systems, CAS theory. CAS theory sees teams and organizations as dynamic, evolving entities that cannot be completely controlled. Learning, adaptation, and decentralization are key responses to complexity. Practice mapping. Agile enables CAS through self-organizing teams, iterative delivery, and decentralized decision-making. Practices like experimentation, test-driven development, TDD, A/B testing, and DevOps pipelines encourage emergent design and rapid learning from production. 7. Self-determination theory, SDT. SDT emphasizes motivation through autonomy, mastery, and purpose. Agile practices are designed to empower individuals and foster deep engagement through meaningful work. Practice mapping. Sprint planning empowers teams to select work autonomously. Continuous feedback via reviews and retrospectives fosters mastery. Clear product goals and user stories aligned with customer needs create a sense of purpose. Pair programming and T-shaped skills development also enhance motivation. 8. Cynefin Framework. The Cynefin Framework guides decision-making based on the complexity of the situation. Agile thrives in the complex domain, where the path forward emerges through experimentation and feedback. Practice mapping. Agile practices such as prototyping, spiking, time-boxed research tasks, lean startup experimentation, and retrospectives help teams adapt to change. Scrum's inspect and adapt loop aligns with the probe, sense, respond model for navigating complexity. 9. Tuckman's team development model. This model describes the evolution of team dynamics through forming, storming, norming, and performing stages. Agile supports the social and emotional needs of teams as they evolve. Practice mapping. Agile rituals such as sprint retrospectives allow teams to address conflicts and improve collaboration. Stable team composition, visual task boards, and clear roles, Scrum Master, Product Owner, provide structure. Team building events, planning poker, and collaborative story estimation also help foster cohesion. 10. Flow theory. Mihaly Csikszentmihalyi. Flow theory describes the state of complete immersion and peak performance. Agile environments aim to design work conditions that enable deep focus and eliminate distractions. Practice mapping. Agile frameworks support flow through limited WIP, in Kanban, sprint goals, in Scrum, uninterrupted development cycles, and regular feedback. Timeboxing, clear acceptance criteria, and dedicated team spaces also help sustain flow. Continuous delivery and CI/CD pipelines reduce delays and allow fast feedback loops. Agile is far more than a set of rituals or frameworks. It is a living system of thought, grounded in deep theoretical principles that reflect how people work, think, and adapt together. Each theory, whether from psychology, systems science, or operations research, offers critical insight into Agile's real strength: its ability to navigate uncertainty, empower individuals, and deliver sustainable value through collaboration and learning. By connecting these theories to concrete Agile practices, like retrospectives, Kanban boards, WIP limits, timeboxing, and servant leadership roles, we bridge the gap between philosophy and execution. This empowers Agile teams to not only follow the how, but to truly understand the why, enabling smarter decisions, deeper alignment, and lasting cultural change. For organizations striving to become more adaptive and resilient, revisiting these core theories provides a compass. It allows leaders and teams to evolve beyond rigid frameworks, innovate responsibly, and build work environments that are both productive and human-centered. Ultimately, mastery of Agile management begins with mastering the theories that power it.